Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone you will use as the hotspot. Turn on mobile data or confirm the phone is already connected to Wi-Fi because the phone needs a data source. Make sure battery saver is off so the hotspot won't be throttled. Once done, open Settings and navigate to the hotspot or tethering menu. Create a clear network name and a strong password. WPA2 is best, so devices can join securely, and keep a note of the SSID and password. Next, configure how you share the connection and then connect client devices. You decide between 4 GHz for wider range or 5 GHz for faster throughput. Pick what your client devices support. Enable or disable AP isolation depending on whether clients should communicate with each other. On the client, select the hotspot SSID, enter the password, and verify it receives an IP address. If you need more control, set a static IP or check DHCP lease details to avoid conflicts. Finally, secure and monitor the hotspot while knowing how to fix common issues. Limit the number of connected devices and enable a timeout or data cap to conserve battery and mobile data. This also reduces interference. Keep an eye on usage and the connected device list to spot unknown clients. If a client cannot connect, restart the hotspot, toggle airplane mode on the host, or reboot the client device. If problems persist, reset network settings, only as a last resort, and then reconfigure the hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.